Okay, I just want to show you the 360 all-round cameras in this Range Rover Vogue, and just basically warn you, they can be a good idea. Seem to be a little bit of a gimmick really. I thought they were a great idea at one time, and then when I've had a few cars with the 360 cameras, I very rarely use them. It gives kind of a distorted view, and to be honest, I think the side views are a bit misleading, and can lead you to make mistakes. That's my personal opinion. Everything else about Range Rovers I absolutely love, but the 360 cameras, it's the same in all cars. And the other thing is that if one of the cameras go, and of course they're outside, they're in the elements, they're in the bumpers and the back and the underneath the door mirrors, they're outside in the elements, and after a while one of them at least tends to go, and to repair the system, each camera is about £360, so it does get to a stage where it seems daft to repair them, but I'll let you make your own decision. So, camera button here, basically if you click on the camera, there you go, that's the plan view, the all-round view. You can see all around there. Now, I don't know about you, but I have no idea what that is there. Obviously it's this car, but from that view I can't really tell. That looks distorted, so anyway, we can press the camera again. That's a pretty good idea. The T-junction camera, for instance, that there's a Range Rover parked there. If I pull forward, you can see, all I can see here is a Range Rover, but once the front nose is out, then I can see past the Range Rover and see what's coming. So in all fairness, that is a good idea. I still wouldn't trust it unless I saw it with my own eyes, but there you go. I mean, you're pulling out and there could be a motorcyclist up there. I want to do it very slowly and see. So press the camera again. That's the rear junction view, and again you can see there as we're going back. To me, reversing camera, that's it. It's not bad. It's okay. If you're just going back there, we can see the steps and it shows you there. If I don't watch it, I'm going to take out one of my alloys and scuff them, so we don't want to do that. Click the camera again. That's the, as I say, that's the rear junction view. You supposedly can see both sides, but all you can see there really is the other, that might be the washer jet actually. There might be a washer jet on there. It's a terrible day today. You can see all the water dripping off it. We'll just press it again. Again, the T-junction view, or you can get to it another way. That's the camera button. Just go back, actually just put it in park. So that's your main screen. You'll see the arrows at both sides, which means you can move around, ambient lighting there, driving style, rear climate, audio settings. If we go this way, you've got cameras. Click on cameras. There you go. So that's your full all-round view. That's a better view than the kind of overall. But again, if you see when you're moving forward there, that's like looking through a kaleidoscope. If anybody remembers kaleidoscopes from when they're a kid, I'm sure they probably don't have them now. But there you go. That's it doesn't mean a whole lot to me. Right, special views. So you click on special views, T-junction view. Just touch that again. Bring the menu back up. Sorry. Plan view. Rear junction view. Go back again. Oops. Settings. Park distance control graphics, park assistance graphics. So we'll put park distance control graphics on like so. Camera home page, reverse view. There we go. Look, if you when you're reversing, that's the same with most reversing cameras, but this one kind of gives you a, there you go, it's giving you a warning there. cameras. Camera home page, proximity view, so that's showing you what you're close to. I suppose again you can see down. I'm more worried about the alloy wheels than anything, you know, hitting a curb. So that, again, that's a handy idea. But that's the 360 cameras. So make your own mind up. But that's how you use them. I hope that was clear. Rewinding it in my head, it wasn't. But I hope you can decipher that.